Hi and welcome to my second video on my everyday carry from a UK perspective. So in part one of this video I went through the things I actually carry on my person every day, and that was the Phoibus PX002C dive watch, my billfold wallet, my anti-RFID card wallet, the Olight i1R 2 EOS keychain flashlight, the Gerber Bear Grylls multi-tool for keychain deployment, and also my smartphone. But I made mention in that first video of a bag that I would then take out in the car if we're on family days out and such like. So I wanted to go through the contents of that bag with you today. So here is the bag. It's a Molle tactical bag, and rough dimensions when full are around 7 inches by 6 inches by 5 inches. And this bag, like most things I'm going to show you, I'll put the links into them on Amazon. This bag is £5.99 on Amazon today. And actually, you know, I didn't expect a lot, but it looks very robust. It's good quality. You can see it's bulging a little there, but the zips are still standing up very well, and it's actually very well made. So starting with what I can get to from the outside, because they're the things that are, you know, quick access. So first thing that we covered in the video previously was the smartphone. So there's a smartphone holder on there, but also then is a neat little 3-function tool really. So it's a capacitive stylus. Push that in, you get a little flashlight, good enough to sort of, you know, see in the car if it's in the dark or such like. And then, yeah, you guessed it, a simple pen as well. But that 3-mode pen stylus flashlight combo is coming in at around, I think it's about £5. Yeah, £5.51 today on Amazon for this. And actually, you know, to get those 3 things in this nice compact design, I think it's pretty cool as well. And I've had this for some years, and yeah, it's great. So getting to the contents of the bag, let's start on this side, see what we've got. Yeah, so especially with COVID around, but just generally should have them on you at all times anyway, a pack of tissues. Next I have another stainless steel pen. This is the Zebra F301, and it's the 1mm black version. But yeah, comes in a pack of 2, and that's £3.99, so £4 for 2, so £2 a pen for those. And on the other side I have a stainless steel mechanical propelling pencil. Had this one for a lot of years, and in fact a salesman that came to our site left this, and we didn't have a contact name for them, so I've had this for probably about 15-20 years. It's a Pentel S445. I can't find a link to it now, it's probably way long discontinued, but great little 0.5mm propelling pencil. Stanley Fatmax 2-meter compact tape measure. Did actually come with a keyring element here. I don't want that on my keychain because it's too bulky, but I do like to have it something on me at all times where I can measure things. There's usually things for projects that I've got on the go, or for the house or the garden. Simple, some post-it notes. I know people have Write in the Rain books and such like. I don't think that I'd really benefit from that, but a lot of times what I need to do is just jot something down or leave someone a message. So just having a few post-it notes in there works for me. Next up, again, a bit of a focus, like we said, on family days out and passing the time, and, you know, waiting for your meal in a restaurant, or woe betide you've had to go to a hospital. But a nice pack of playing cards. Now these aren't cheap by any means. These are £12. These are Theory 11 playing cards. These are the Animal Kingdom version, but really nice quality, top quality cards. $1 of each purchase goes towards the WWF as well, and these are $11.99 for a pack. So yeah, not the cheapest thing at all. You get a simple pack of cards probably for £1 or £2, but lovely quality playing cards, highly recommended. And you know, you could always counteract that with you are doing your bit for the WWF as well, to a small degree. Yeah, in case the worst happens there, well, not quite the worst, but something bad happens, we've got some stick and plasters. Yeah, courtesy of the Holiday Inn, a sewing kit, and glasses, clean and cloth as well, because I have to wear glasses for both distance and close up. So I think that feels like it's, oh no, got something else. Yeah, and a set of nail clippers. Just standard nail clippers. I think couldn't find the same ones as these, but I did find a pack of 3 nail clippers on Amazon, and they were £5.70 for the 3, so £1.90 each. And then in the last compartment, again, COVID time, so 15ml refillable hand sanitizer. Got these linked together. A 3-mode flashlight by Sky Wolf-Eye. Pocket clip on it as well. I've had this for a number of years, and this does amaze me in that currently on Amazon it's something like ridiculous, like 49p with £2.99 postage and packing. So for about £3.50 you can get a focusable 3-mode flashlight, so high, low and flashing with focus. The build quality is really good, and you know, I'm unsure how they do it for that money, but there'll be a link to all items I've got here in the description. If you did feel that you wanted to use them, that would be great. It does help the channel out a little bit. But yeah, unbelievable value for money at £3.50 for this little torch, and it runs on an AA battery. Next up, I'm sure everyone's guessed what this is before it's even opened. Leatherman Wave, and I do go for the leather pouch for it as well. So yeah, fantastic multi-tool. Love this tool. Love everything it's got on it. The fact that the blades and everything is locked when they're deployed as well, and it's just fantastic quality and a fantastic item. Not cheap. I think current price for one of these without a case is £125. The case is a further £20, and there is also a nylon case available, which I think is more like £12 or £15 as well. But absolute, you know, dead good quality, and I think a 25-year guarantee as well. Next up, another means of writing a message down or getting something marked up, a fine point Sharpie. These just fantastic, and I think you can get 2 for £2, I think, so £1 a piece. A strip of ibuprofen. The Leatherman Wave accessory bits, again not cheap for these. I think these are £24.45 at the minute, but you know, I think once you've got that as a toy, you want to have all the bells and whistles that go with it, and you know, having those extra bits definitely is helpful. USB-C small charger lead for the phone and the other items. A 16GB Kingston Data Traveller pen drive, the rechargeable or charging cable for the O-Light, and then the Samsung UK to USB charger. Nice that that drops down because it helps save that little bit of space as well. I think that came with the phone, I think, but yeah, I couldn't find anything similar on Amazon, but you know, I'm sure everyone's got one of these for their phones, but it's nice I've got a spare one so it goes with me as well. And I think that's it. So the bag, yeah, has a deployable hanging hook as well, and there are the things that go with us when we have a family day out. So as I said, links to all that stuff in description. I'm really happy with everything that's within this E.D.C kit out, but you know, if you've got any suggestions for things that I should be adding in as well, or any questions on anything, then please leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. But thanks for watching.